Hi kids, are you ready to draw with me? Today we are going to draw a cute dolphin. Get your paper, pencils and your biggest smile. So let's draw a cute dolphin. Let's start with a simple shape. Can you guess what it is? Great! Now follow my drawing exactly. Awesome job! You are doing so well. Remember, if you make a mistake, it's totally okay. Just erase it and try again. Take your time. There's no need to rush. You are doing such a great job, little artist. This looks amazing already. I love how creative you are. Give yourself a big high five. And we are done. Ta-da! You did it. Wasn't that fun? I love drawing with you. Show your drawing to your family. They will be so proud. If you like drawing with me, don't forget to subscribe for more fun art. Bye bye for now. See you in the next drawing adventure.